Good morning, 690. I just wanted to create a short video to discuss the group project and where we should be at by the beginning of next week, if not sooner, because ultimately in the next couple of weeks, you are going to be presenting the information in front of the United Way, likely via Zoom. So I want to make sure that we are in a good place by then. So I had some questions regarding the heat map and what kind of information should be presented on that heat map. So I wanted to address that now. I know I had replied to those emails, but I figured it'd be best to discuss on this video. So what I want you to do is you're going to create a few heat maps to show that data visualization. It's a lot easier to be able to see what we're talking about rather than to just discuss the information. So if you're able to show the United Way the information that or the data that they've presented to you, and you can show them on these heat maps, it'll be a lot easier for them to determine what resources are needed and where. So if you can create a heat map that will show drop-off times, pickup times, and then also locations, so that way they can see where the services are needed the most. So for example, if it shows that the locations, for example, if most locations are, if there's a, and I'm just going to give an example. I'm not real, I don't know the data like as well as you do, but if more locations are, if more patrons are being picked up on Tiffin Avenue in a certain area of Tiffin Avenue at 8 a.m. That heat map should represent that, or that, a couple different heat maps. By looking at the separate heat maps, they can determine that maybe transportation is needed more in the morning from 8 to noon or something. So by them being able to see and visualize these maps, rather than just looking at an Excel spreadsheet and seeing a bunch of numbers, a bunch of data, that doesn't really mean anything until they can actually visualize the need. That's going to mean so much more. So that's what this project, this project that you're working on is just the first piece. And then the next group that comes into this course will then work on the next piece. But this piece right now that you are working on is this the first piece of the puzzle, showing them what they need to work on, what resources are needed, and when. So if you can create these 3 heat maps and then create a presentation, so everybody needs to work together and figure out what you're going to say, how you're going to present the information that you're finding. Okay, so come up with a presentation, and I don't expect an hour-long presentation, but definitely be prepared to talk about what you're presenting, and also be prepared to answer questions, because they may ask questions at the end of your presentation. So be prepared to answer any questions that they may have. But please continue to work on this. Like I said, hopefully have it done by Sunday or Monday or Tuesday of next week. If you can work together through Zoom on campus, however it works best for you. But please continue to work on these heat maps and finish up this project, because we're already in week 4, and I feel like this second block has gone by pretty fast. So keep up the great work. Reach out if you have any further questions. Otherwise, I will touch base with you at the beginning of next week. Thank you, and have a great weekend.